Look at Charlie.
Look at Charlie. Look. Right there, look, Charlie. Your plant. One of them.
See it? I think he does. Yep. What do you think, baby?
Thinking that damn dog pissed in my yard.
Look, Charlie. Come here. Look at Charlie. There's some more over here. Yeah, there's some more over here. It's just starting to come up. I bet you in about 3 weeks you'll have some fresh nip. Remember. I'll show them where the other ones are.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm holding the camera.
Well, show me.
Right here. Right there.
Come here, Charlie. Look,
Look
there's
at
another
baby.
plant. Right there, right in front of you, son. Yeah, there. It's okay. Right here. Right there, yeah. And then there's another one right here. Look, Charlie. Charlie. Don't tell me no. There's another one right there that's bigger.
It's okay, baby.
You should go get the camera so we can take a picture.
I have the camera.
The other one.
I can take still.
Yeah?
Keep talking, Charlie.
I love the
It's our
baby.
babe. Yeah, good boy. Charlie singing the blues.
The black. You can't sing blues. Don't hit your head. Was there another one over there?
Just a small one started there.
There's one more plant to look at, son. Yep, there's one more plant for the bees to inspect.
Right there. And something's been...
Right there, son.
There's been a cat
See?
pissing and peeing over here.
One more plant to inspect.
Peeing and pooping. Look at all
So
of
he's
it.
got to pee. Oh, no, if I thought.
You see it? I wouldn't plant right there. Good boy, Char. Says don't state the obvious. Our little Bombay buddy. Hi, Charlie. You know one thing different from him and Reber? Once Reber got outside, he was always trying to get out. Charlie's been outside a lot, but he doesn't like it without you or I. Which I'm glad.
Yeah.
Charlie.
Are you going?
Sure.
Ready to win, buddy? Mama.
Let's go in, Charlie.
Come on, Charlie.
Don't let him get in those.
No. Come on.
Good boy, Charlie.
Don't tell me no. Yeah, don't tell me no.
Tell him no, Charlie. No. I know it. I know it, baby.
Welcome back.